300 gram of sugar solution has 40% sugar in it. How much sugar could be added to make it 50% in the solution? Now first I'll solve this question the normal way and then I'll use the alligation trick. Now in here we have 300 gram of solution and in this 40% sugar is there. So the ratio of sugar is to other substance here is 40% sugar is there. So obviously other substance will be 100 minus 40, 60. So the ratio that we get is 2 4s are 2 3s are. So 2:3 is the ratio. Now let's say that 2x is sugar and 3x is the other substance. Now question is telling me how much sugar should be added. So we are adding sugar here. So let's say in this 2x sugar we add y amount of sugar, right? And the amount of other substance remains the same, which is 3x. And after doing this, sugar becomes 50% in the solution. So sugar becomes 50% in the solution. So other 50 will be the other substance, right? So the ratio that we get here is of 1:1. So that means this ratio is same as this ratio. All right. So I can write it as 2x plus y divided by 3x is equals to 1/1, right? So I can say that this is 2x plus y is equals to 3x, or I can say that y is equals to 3 minus 2x. So y is equals to x. Now what is this x here? Now in the original solution 2x sugar is there and 3x is the other substance, but they together amounts to 300 gram because this is the total sugar solution which is of 300 grams. So that means 2x plus this 3x is equals to 300 gram, or I can say that 5x is equals to 300, or I can say that 5 6 are 30, 0. So x is equals to 60. All right. So substitute this value of x in here. So we get the value of y as 60, right? So the question is asking us how much sugar should be added, y amount should be added, and y is equals to 60. So that means this is our required answer. Here option C is the correct one. Now let's solve this using the alligation trick. All right, now we are asked how much sugar should be added. So we'll solve this using with respect to sugar only, right? So in the original solution the sugar concentration is 40% and in this we are adding sugar. All right, and sugar concentration in pure sugar will be 100%. We are mixing both of them and in the resultant mixture concentration of sugar is 50%. So we are mixing both of them and we get sugar which is 50%. Let's find out the difference here. The difference of 100 and 50 will be 50 and the difference of 40 and 50 will be 10. So the ratio that we get here is of 5:1. This 5 is of this solution and 1 is of sugar. Now we know that original solution is of 300 grams. So this solution is of 300 gram. Now when we multiply this 5 with 60, we get 300. Similarly, we'll also have to multiply this 1 with 60 in order to get the amount of sugar that is added. So 1 into 60 is 60. So the sugar that is added is again 60 grams. So this is our required answer. Again, we have got the same answer. So your option C is the correct one.